Hey guys, so today I will be putting in a blower motor into my, there it is back there, 99 TJ. I know there's 100 videos of people doing this already. The reason why I thought I'd put this out there is lots of times what I hear is that people's heat won't work on certain switch levels or whatever. I changed out my switch already. That didn't make a difference. Mine will either work or it won't work. Doesn't matter. The speeds will work fine when it is on, but sometimes it will just not be on when I start the Jeep, and then maybe 15 minutes later it'll kick on. But now it's been over a week and it hasn't worked at all. So just maybe it's a little bit of a unique issue that maybe you're experiencing. So I'm gonna put in the motor and hoping that's gonna fix it. The only thing I haven't changed yet is the resistor. So I'm kind of hoping the motor will be the issue and that'll be it. But so I'll do that later on today, and yeah, we'll check it out. See ya. All right guys, here is my motor. I got this on Amazon for, I think it was 38 bucks. And this is what I'm gonna do here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to video the whole thing because it's just me, but I'm taking the battery out and then removing the computer, and then behind there is the motor. So here goes. All right, battery's out, and you can see the motor there. Man, the computer is just like hanging over it by an inch, so unfortunately, definitely got to take that out. I guess it's easier to get it out of the way regardless. All right, that's next. Here we go. So we have the 3 screws on the computer. Pulled all the plugs out. Those came out pretty easy. And then 3 5/16. There's one there I already took out. And then let's see, that one and that one. They come out real easy. So that's next. All right, and computer's out, and here is the motor. We got a screw. The wires in the way there. Right at the top there. And then 2 on the bottom. Just gotta be real careful not to drop those in. That'll kind of stink. And then there's a plug there that just comes out. All right, so here we go. Next. So this is ready to come out. Also, probably wise to take note of where that plug is so that we put the new one in the same way. All right, so this is, just gotta kind of get it out of there. All right, I can't do this with one hand, so all right. So getting this plug out was so far the hardest thing. Everything's been easy, and that was brutal. I'm sure it's probably never come out before, so slammed my thumb pretty good. We'll see if I have a fingernail in the morning, but all right. Anyway, ready to put the new one in. All right, new motor is in. I feel like I couldn't get this plug down as far as it was, but I don't know. And I saw in another video that you have to kind of watch the direction you put that plug back onto. I couldn't really tell, so maybe I just got lucky, but it seemed to go on pretty good. I'm just gonna put everything together for now and see what happens. If it doesn't work, I'll check this plug again, but I don't know, that's definitely not going in any further, so hopefully it's making the connection it needs to. All right, I'm gonna put the computer back on with those 3 screws and connect it, and then we'll get to the battery and give it a shot. The computer, just to kind of make note, I'm not sure if yours is the same, but I got gray, white, and black. That's kind of the order they were in, and these just, you'll hear it click. That little click there means it's back in. All right, my battery is all hooked up. That was actually a pain because my hold down there came disconnected in the back. You never know. That was a pain, but I didn't tighten everything up yet on my battery. I'm gonna start it up and see what happens, just in case I need to disconnect everything again. All right, so volume's down there. Oh yeah. There we go. We got air blowing. That's awesome. And it's cold today, so I'm looking forward to having some heat. So there you go. I think if I had to do it again, I would start with the blower motor. It's definitely the easiest part to replace. I replaced the switch here too as well because it was only having 3 positions. I figured, well, it's cheap, but it wasn't necessary. And then I never got around to the resistor, so I could have done the motor first, and that would have solved the issue. But anyway, that's it. Hope it helps. If you got heat that's not working, I would start with the motor. But I'm no mechanic. I don't know. I'm just a Jeep owner. See ya.